In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the screen to move and remove fields in a Jira Cloud project. Whether you're managing an existing project or just fine-tuning your workflow, editing your screen can be crucial for maintaining clarity and efficiency. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can easily tailor your Jira screens to better suit your team's needs. To begin, you need to access the Settings menu. You'll find this conveniently located at the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. A quick click here and you're on your way. Once you've opened the settings, direct your attention to the left hand side and navigate to the Issues section. From there, go further into Screens by selecting Screens under the Screens category. This step is fundamental as it takes you to the area where you can manage the different screens linked to your project. Now that you're in the Screens section, it's important to identify the specific screen you want to modify. Remember, screens in Jira are linked to various issue types and workflows. If you're unsure which screen to work on, take a moment to review the issue types and their associations with different workflows so you know precisely what you're editing. Once you've pinpointed the correct screen, look over to the right hand side and locate the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop down menu where you can select Configure. This option will open up the configuration page for the screen you've chosen, allowing you access to editing features. If your goal is to move a field, you can do so quite intuitively. Simply click and drag the field you wish to relocate. Moving fields around can help you reorder them logically, enhancing the user experience for everyone interacting with your Jira issues. It's a simple drag and drop action, but can make a significant difference in the clarity of your screen layout. Sometimes you might find a field that's no longer necessary, and removing it is the right choice. To remove a field, scroll through the list of fields until you find the one you want to delete. Once located, look to the right of the field and you'll see a Remove button. Clicking this will promptly take the field off your screen setup, decluttering your interface. Should you need to add a new field, that's easily done as well. Check the drop down at the top, find the field you wish to add, and simply click it. This action will automatically insert the field into your current list, providing you with a seamless way to expand your screen's functionality as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Jira Cloud project's screen layouts, providing a more organized and efficient tool for your team. Adjusting the layout not only aids in optimizing your workflow, but also ensures your project screens remain aligned with your organization's evolving needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Jira editing.